we designed this drug with intention to be a rapid acting product. And that's why we gave it IV. And obviously that was a different approach than others took. So, we were looking for that. But to be very honest with you, we never anticipated that it would happen this quickly. So part of the problem and why we needed the closed testing for validation is that we didn't really ask the right questions. We never formally were testing day one. We had to kind of figure a way out how to do it. And like I said, the FDA gave us some good guidance. This was included in our package insert, this day one efficacy. The first and foremost thing is obviously the patient perspective. In 30 years of practice, I never had somebody say, gee, I'd really like to wait a few weeks to find out if this works. So, it is kind of an exciting perspective. And of course, it doesn't work for every single person. But for this population of people, again, 50% of them, they had a 50% reduction in their frequency of migraine. So that's pretty profound. And, I think something that's really welcomed in terms of efficacy for patients. A lot of the information that you can start to understand about the patient is really established quite early. With even in that first month, you know a lot about that patient's response, good or bad. And so those are very positive things. And, I also think that there's a psychological boost and benefit to early onset of efficacy for patients. If they can actually see very quickly, that their migraines are starting to change in frequency, and maybe some of the triggers that they normally would associate with having migraine don't occur. And these are very positive in the mindset of the patient.